I will show you how to make a space before continue with the bobbles. Look very well. After each line of bobbles, you have to give space and continue with the bobbles. You repeat the process. Bobbles, space, and bobbles again. Okay? So to make a space, you make a double crochet or single crochet stitch all through. As you can see in this case, I made a single crochet stitch all through till the end of that line. With this pattern, the bobbles have to be on one side, so that's why you make a space. Done with the spacing line. Turn your work. Now continue with the bobbles. Just keep to the pattern by making a single crochet. In same loop, insert 4 times and pull 4 stitches back. Then make a flip stitch and create the bobble as before. Now as you can see, we have make first bobble of the second line. We are going to continue to make the bobbles till the end of that line. As you can see, we are almost at the end of that line as well. Pull over all 4 stitches back and make a flip stitch to make the last bobble. We are done with the second line. We will make one more line to extend the work. Then we will make the handle later. But first let's finish to make the main body of the project. Don't forget this. Single crochet, insert 4 times in same loop. Then make a flip stitch to create the bobbles. I'm checking to make sure it is alright. This is how it looked like, as you can see. When you are done with the bobbles, put both sides together. Just like this, and sew them together. See the first one I made, so this is the second project. And the big bag I made last week, all same pattern. Now I'm doing the last bobble, and the body of the project will be over. I'm just rounding up with the bobbles, so I will go fast. Almost done with the last bobble. This is how the body of the project look like as at now. I'm going to turn the work and start putting it together. I will take out the pin I used to identify the beginning of the project. Now look carefully how I put it together. Insert the pin on one end of the loop and look for the other end and make a flip stitch. I am doing it slowly so you can follow as well. Don't worry, I will repeat it again. Okay, I will explain you another way to put your work together by using the needle. You have to cut the yarn and insert the thread through the needle hole. Then sew both ends together all through. But here I will continue using the hook with flip stitch to put together the work. Do this all through the edges. Take a look as I do it slowly. See, I will do it again now, but a bit faster. If you didn't get it at first, repeat it again and again, till you perfect your work. I am done with the putting together. Now see the finishing in and out perfect. Now we will make the handle really quick. Cut off the excess yarn and pull the rest of it over on the opposite direction. Right now, I will do the handle. Let's go. With the handle we use a different crochet pattern. That is, the double crochet pattern. You know, to make the space we have been using a single crochet pattern. But to make the handle you now use the double crochet pattern. Cut off excess yarn to make your work neat. Then continue with the double crochet. This is how it will look like. Great job. Keep to the pattern till you get to the other end of the basket. To make the double crochet pattern, you have to yarn, then insert in the loop chain. Pull back 2 chains first, then yarn again, and pull back 2 chains again. As you can see, we are done with the handle. So we are attaching the handle to the body of the basket. We will just use flip stitch. Flip stitch all over through, so it will be smooth. Finish attaching the handle. Great job! We cut the leftover yarn and pull the thread on the opposite direction. Then we hide the excess yarn inside the project. Look very well how I do it. You insert the hook through 2 to 3 loops and pull the other end of the thread through inside, then cut any excess. There you go, finished project. You can use it as a room decor ornament for kids. Just like this. The bag I made, a teenager will use it better, especially in summer. If you have been watching till this level, thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share, comment and like, for this mean a lot. Thanks.